What's up, family? Tanya here. I'm Tanya, and I'm in Zone 8A, Georgia. Today I'm just going to concentrate on my Napa cabbage. I got these plants from Home Depot in March, and I've already harvested off of each plant. And I grow my greens in maybe 5 to 3 gallon containers, and so this is what the Napa cabbage looks like. Now it can get bigger, but I don't like to spray pesticides, so I get my plants in early here in Georgia. Greens like it when it's cool. Between 50 to 75 degrees is their optimum growing temperature. So I get them and they grow. And then when it starts getting around May and June, that's when the bugs come out. So that I don't have to spray them, I just go on and do them. You know, I'm not a commercial farmer or anything, so I don't need everything huge. And they taste good this way. So to harvest the cabbage, they grow a strong root system. And you see I'm pulling it up. Pull it on up, and it will eventually come out, okay, like that. And get rid of all the excess dirt. See all these roots? And it has one larger root right here. So it's hard for me to break that off. So I saw it off. That's all it needs. So you have an entire intact Napa cabbage. Bugs love cabbages, so like my collard greens had very little pest. But cabbages, they love the nibble. One. Let's see, I already have 1, 2, 3, 4 on the table. I have 2 more. Heavy. So for me, they don't have to get much bigger than this. You see a nice head is forming. Napa cabbage. Now I gotta spray down the porch patio. So I get rid of any spent leaves. These are so good. Stir fry them. I don't make kimchi, but this is what you do. If you're making kimchi, you want this Napa. Gather it up. One more. eat these as a side dish. I'll put some garlic and onions, stir fry them. Sometimes I'll just steam it by itself, put it in a soup. So this is how they're going to come out. The bugs got on a few of the leaves, so I don't take those. I just keep the good ones. Just inspect them. Like I see a little bug in here. See, that's one thing about the cabbages, you know, they have so many layers, stuff is in there. So they don't come into my house until I've like cleaned everything. See. Bring you guys up a little so you can see what's on my table here. Here are the collard greens that I harvested earlier. Here's my Napas. See these? Oh, the pests got to these. So. See all of that. So good thing I've already like harvested twice from these. Okay, we're gonna spray them down. Get all into these, into the layers, each layer. Spray all the dirt and spray if any insects. just keep doing that. So we just keep doing that till they're all clean. All right, guys, so thank you for tuning in. That's how I harvest my Napa cabbage. I've grown these for 60 days and no pesticides on them, so I'm going to harvest them before, you know, too many bugs get to them. They've already gotten to my cabbages. They didn't touch my collard greens at all. So just go on and harvest them. If you want them to get really big, and in this zone, you know, you spray them whatever your pest control that you use, and then, you know, they'll just keep growing. But I like the taste of them when they're like 60 days old. Thank you guys so much. Hope you got some inspiration and learned a little something about Napa cabbage, and I'll see you in my next video. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe and join the tribe. All right, and hit that bell note. And if you like this video, go on and hit that like button. I appreciate it. That helps my channel get through the algorithm and let YouTube know that someone likes what's going on around here. Okay, thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mom.